good day, sir, madam. My name is Zoraida Manuel. I am 22 years old, but I'm going 23 this coming November 10. I am single. I have 4 sisters. I am a college graduate with a degree of AV Economics. I work here in Philippines as a domestic helper. I do house cleaning, cooking, car washing.
Okay, so Zoraida, you work here in the Philippines for how many years?
4 years, mom.
4 years. Can you still recall the name of your employer?
Yes, mom. And her name is Librada Dulay and Nenita Harab.
Okay. Do they have any children?
Yes, mom.
How many children?
For Miss Librada Dulay, they have 4 children, and for Mrs. Nenita Harab, two boy.
2 boys.
Son.
Okay. So you were the one who took care of the children.
Yes, mom.
So you definitely know how to take care of infants also
Yes, mom.
and babies.
Yes, mom.
Very good. Okay, having a good academic background, Zoraida,
Yes,
if
ma'am.
the employer asks you to tutor your children, can you do that?
Yes, mom.
And
of
what
course.
subjects can you teach?
Math, science, and English, madam.
Okay, very good. You're single, right?
Yes, madam.
Does your family know you're applying to work in Hong Kong?
Yes, madam.
Okay, can you give us the reason why you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to support my family financially, madam.
Okay, so can you do errands?
Yes, madam.
Okay, can you cook?
Yes, madam.
What kind of dishes can you cook?
Filipino foods, madam.
Filipino foods. But if your employer in Hong Kong asks you to cook some Chinese food from a cookbook, can you follow?
Yes, madam, I can.
Okay, can you enumerate some household appliances that you can operate?
Washing machine, iron, microwave oven, vacuum cleaner.
Okay, can you do the laundry by hands?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Can you look after some pets?
Yes, madam.
You're not afraid of dogs?
No, ma'am.
How about cats?
No, ma'am.
No. Good. How is your health, Zoraida?
My health is good, madam.
Okay, so it means you're physically fit to work.
Yes, madam.
Okay, have you suffered from any serious illness?
Not yet, madam.
Have you undergone any operation?
No, madam.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, madam.
Do you smoke?
No, madam.
Are you willing to take your day off during weekday?
Yes, madam.
Are you willing not to take your day off but will be paid instead?
Yes, madam.
Very good. So how long do you plan to work in Hong Kong, Zoraida?
2 years or more, madam.
So that means you're willing to extend your contract with your employer.
Yes, madam.
Okay. As a closing, what can you promise to your future employer?
To my future employer, I promise to do my best duties and responsibilities to satisfy
To satisfy them.
Yes.
Of course, all lawful duties, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, be honest, industrious, when you get there in Hong Kong, there are rules and regulations for you to follow. So, you must also establish a good relationship with your employer, Zoraida.
Yes, madam.
So, good luck to you.
Yes, madam. Thank you.